which one of them knew?
One of them knew what?
Jerry Grail had asthma.
And he was out there fighting fire? That's not too smart.
Well, he never was one to let common sense get in the way of whatever he wanted to do. The question is, who was dead?
What about Chris Newman? I mean, Grail's house was the last thing standing in the way of that development.
I'm sure Chris is glad to see him gone, too, but what about Howard? Howard Purcell spent 6 years in prison because Jerry back to the SEC.
I got caught in the middle of a fight selling to myself about Grail.
No broken bones.
Actually, they ignored me.
Fucking thing.